Happy New Year. I'm gonna make a non-alcoholic beverage for New Year's Eve. It is called a cranberry sparkling ginger root thingamajig. You can add alcohol to it if you would like. It would probably be amazing. Okay, you'll need the following things. You'll need a pitcher, you will need some limes that you're going to freeze. These are gonna be your ice cubes. 1/2 cup of sugar, some ginger root that is sliced, some fresh cranberries, some lemon juice. This is about, I don't know, 1/3 cup. And
is that lemon or lime juice?
I mean lime. What I mean.
Lime juice.
And this is 24 fluid ounces of some sparkling cranberry. This recipe calls for 8 8-ounce cans of this.
So you're just gonna make what you can?
I'm just gonna make what I can today. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna make some simple syrup with the ginger root. You're gonna put 3/4 cup of water into a saucepan with 1/2 cup of sugar and your sliced ginger root.
Ooh, I want a piece of that ginger.
You're gonna make a ginger root simple syrup, Tyson. All you're doing is just letting that dissolve in there. Oh, that smells good. And did you know, Tyson, ginger is very good for your tummy troubles. Okay, well, while that's cooking, take my very fancy, you could clearly get a fancier one. You're going to take your sparkling cranberry, you're going to pour it in to your jug.
Nothing says high society like a plastic.
Then you're gonna take your frozen limes, put them right in there. Take your cranberries, put them right in there. Then you're gonna take your lime juice, put it right on in there, okay?
Oh, a glass that you furthermore can't see any of the content.
But
Did you put them in white glasses?
It's the color of a cranberry.
No, please put it in a color. Please put it in a white, clear thing.
No, we're drinking out of cranberry colored glass.
Golly. You should have some flutes. You should have some flutes.
You're gonna drink this all night. This
Okay,
isn't
so
had
put
any
it
alcohol
in
and
the
you can
mason
drink
jars.
it all darn night.
Put it in mason jars.
I'm gonna put the simple syrup in the mason jar because we're gonna save it for later. My gosh. Lord have mercy, y'all. Can't even talk to him.
Those glasses don't even match. They're not even the same color.
What? You are so anal about the presentation.
Yes, it's about the presentation.
Golly. You're going to pour it into your mason jar. Okay. You're gonna reserve that ginger root because it's already infused in there. Okay. So there you go. Just half of it.
What is a spatula for? No, it doesn't matter what the utensil was created for.
Okay, then you're going to take it and you're gonna pour it in your mason jar. Everything's gonna go in there.
Got to get a couple limes in there.
Well, the limes are frozen,
yeah, but
so they serve as an ice cube.
Yes.
There you go.
She managed to put her hands in the jar. This is really good. Man.
Should we tell them the truth?
Those limes aren't frozen.
They aren't frozen.
So it's like lukewarm right now. Nothing like some lukewarm drink for the New Year's.
If you follow the directions, it's gonna be amazing. So just freeze the limes, freeze the freeze every thing. Okay, it's gonna be good.
Yeah, yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah, it's a little lukewarm.